Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March the 15th, 2022. We're going to talk about Avalanche today and give you all a major update in this cryptocurrency that nobody else on YouTube is talking about. You know, they want to come in and give you all the flowers, the cupcakes, the rainbows, that everything's going to always continually shoot up in price so that eventually we all will become filthy rich. I'm the other side of the market. I give you all the real. I show you what the market is anticipated to do, whether it's going to go up, whether it's going to go down. So if you all appreciate that, then welcome to the team. Yeah, join me. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on how simple it is to gauge where prices are going to go. Check this out. I did a video in Avalanche right here on the 21st of February. So here it is, about a month in. And you guys can tell, even at that particular moment, I was playing the weakness into the market in Avalanche, and the market maybe about 3 days into the price prediction. Yeah, let me show it to you. The market came almost pristine to where we said the bottom was going to happen at, right there on the 24th. So 3 days into the price prediction, you all could have had about 17.75% right there. And then not only that, you had another opportunity just yesterday. The market in Avalanche came right back down to where we expected it on the 21st of February. So I want to say congratulations that you call the market right alongside with me. You all predicted the same thing if you expected the price in Avalanche to go down. Now, let me get rid of this because I have to show you something that nobody else is going to show you. I have to keep it real. And one of the things that I can show you basically that has been confirmed is that the weakness on the chart for Avalanche is still here. You might say, well, why would you say that? Well, take a look. The market is confirming the downtrend, right? Every time the market in Avalanche tries to break outside of this downtrend line, it gets rejected. Yeah, the price comes right back down and trades below that trend. So it tells us that this descending line is acting as a lid. It is keeping the price held back. The market wants to go up. We get that, but every time it approaches this descending line, it gets rejected. You got to see that for what it is. They won't show you this. They want to show you that the market's going to moonshot and we're all going to get Lambos. And no, that's not what the chart is reflecting right now. Then take a look at this. You guys can tell that the trend in Avalanche started all the way back here, July 2021. This is where the bullish trend started in Avalanche, and we've been traded alongside that trend a couple of times, and even the market confirmed it just last month. I mean, January of 2 months ago. Yeah, it confirmed it right here. So guess what? You know what our expectations needs to be. Our expectation needs to be for us to see the buyers hold that trend. They didn't hold the line. So we're kind of stuck in between a rock and a hard place, right? Who's going to win out? Is it going to be the sellers? Is it going to be the buyers? It is something that we have to get ahead of, because whichever way the market breaks, we want to predict it. We want to already be positioned and ready. That's the edge that we have in the market, is to be ahead of everyone else. So let's take a look at the chart from a different time frame first, right? I wanted to show you all the 3 weeks time frame here into the market in Avalanche, and you all can tell on this last completed 3-weekly price bar, right? Yes, we can tell that the market in Avalanche tried to break outside of this descending line that's drawn on my chart, and it got rejected. That confirms that the weakness is still here. That confirms that the sellers are outdoing, or they're outdoing the buyers. Yeah, this is what this resembles. So let's do this here. Look at Avalanche on the 2 weeks. Look at the last 2 completed weekly price bars. Look at that. That's weakness. The market tried to go up but failed. And then on this last completed 2 weekly price bar, the market tried to go up but failed. See, the market is giving you hints. It's dropping clues every day. You just got to pay attention to it and not be afraid as to what you're seeing. I know many of you are biased towards Avalanche going up in price, but this is not what the chart is reflecting as of this moment. I mean, it's even to the point to where we can anticipate price breaking that trend that we started back in July of 2021. Yes, I'm telling you that today, March the 15th, that trend is in jeopardy of being broken. So if it is in jeopardy of being broken, we need to determine, or at least try to anticipate, where are the buyers? Where will be their next location that they will try to stop this market from falling? I got an idea. What about here? What, $61? What do you think? Let's switch this thing back over to the daily time frame and see what we got. All right. Yeah, the next level will have to be like $60 for us to see the initial onset of buying. $60. So what I'm going to do, since I am anticipating the market to continue to trend lower, I'm going to get rid of this ascending line because I am anticipating that the market is going to break that to the downside. And like I said, we got that confirmation that the weakness here into the market in Avalanche is still in downtrend. So we're going to continue to follow the dominant trend. The dominant trend right now is the downtrend line. All right. So let's see what we got on a 3-day time frame. And I'm going to play the market trying to come down here towards $60. Might be a little bit higher, you know, $60, $62, give or take. That's the first area. Okay. So let me drop this chart prediction for you all. And we're going to play the weakness into the market in Avalanche, even if the price breaks the downtrend line, but price doesn't trade above 80. We're still going to play the market weakness in this particular cryptocurrency. Okay. Right there. So now, the first area, like I said, is around 60, maybe $62, about 12% movement to the downside. We can eat off that. We can actually take that profitability and run with it and sit pretty by grabbing the bag. Second area, yes, it's going to be down here towards $53, $55 price range. Right there. So I'm already here. I'm showing you what the market is trying to tell us so that we can get prepared for it and we won't be caught off guard. We won't be on the wrong side of the trade. We have to pay attention to what the chart is listing and what it is showing to us, and we need to act accordingly. So this is it. This is my anticipation as to where price in Avalanche is going to go next. Now, just like my last one, I was playing the weakness then and nothing has changed so far. I'm still looking for the price in Avalanche to go down. What do you think? Where do you think the price is headed? Because if you want to get an edge amongst everyone else who is interested in Avalanche, you got to beat them to the price. So where do you see price headed? Right? I've shown you what I think. I want to know what you all think. So drop me a comment real quick and tell me, where do you see Avalanche going throughout the month of March, going into April time frame, and we'll see which one is right. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.